We're going to go live right now. Just logging on. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aaron Mason. This is the Superior Court of Clayton County. I'm a judge here in Clayton County Superior Court. Today is May the 11th, 2021, and it is approximately 4:09 p.m. I am located in courtroom 405 of the Harold Banky Justice Center, and I am about to accept presentments for Grand Jury Panel D, who I properly sworn and charged this morning before they began their deliberations. Before I accept the grand jury presentments, I want to ensure that any person who is interested in being present and witnessing these presentments is allowed to enter my courtroom. So the record will reflect at this time, I'm live streaming this court proceeding. The record will also reflect that I'm about to make a phone call to the deputies and bailiffs that are securing the entrance to the courthouse to see if anyone is present and desires to come to my courtroom for the grand jury presentments.
Clayton County Victor Hill Office, Deputy Roberts. How can I help you?
Hey, Deputy Roberts, this is Judge Aaron Mason. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Judge. How are you doing?
Great. I was calling to check on the status downstairs at the entrance of the courthouse.
Still open, sir?
Is there anyone in line trying to get in?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, if anyone shows up and they want to come to my courtroom, please let them in.
Okay.
And one other thing, Deputy, before I log off or
sir.
hang up from you, is while I'm doing the presentments, make certain that the doors are not locked at all.
Yes, sir.
I will call down once we're done, but if anyone wants to come in, please give them access.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate your time, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, it appears no one is trying to get in. The courthouse doors are open. Anyone who wants access has access. According to the Clayton County Grand Jury Guidelines for resumption of grand juries, the district attorney has provided the grand jury foreperson with a laptop to digitally return indictments. The foreperson was trained and can electronically sign the indictments and indicate whether the grand jury has returned a true bill or a no bill. After the grand jury deliberations, the foreperson is required to save all executed indictments on a flash drive. The foreperson is then required to give the flash drive to the grand jury bailiff. So this afternoon, do I have the grand jury bailiff in my courtroom? If you would please approach the podium so I could ask you a few questions. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
Wonderful. Please go ahead and raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. You can place your hand down. For the record, would you please state your true correct name?
Maureen Stubbs.
Thank you, Ms. Stubbs. Are you the grand jury bailiff for grand jury panel D?
Yes, sir.
Did you receive a flash drive from the foreperson of grand jury panel D?
I did.
All right. Have you maintained sole possession of that flash drive even to this very moment?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. At this time, would you please approach the bench? I'm going to put my mask on and deliver me that flash drive. Thank you so much. I have in my possession the flash drive that was delivered to the grand jury bailiff from grand jury panel D. The record will reflect, I'm going to plug in this flash drive to my computer. I'm going to review the contents of the flash drive, review the indictments to make certain they're in proper order. After I view them and see they're in proper order, or while I review them, I will print them out, then double check them against the information I have. Upon verification of that, I will then file the indictments with the clerk of our Superior Court, Jacqueline Wills, who is present in the courtroom with me today. My initial review shows that everything appears to be in order. I guess I'm getting faster to process. I'm just waiting for it to print so I could double check. So. I apparently missed one, but I found it on my double check. It is in proper order. I did print it out. Everything's in proper form. I'm putting it right back where it would belong at in the order of the presentments. Madam Clerk, I have examined the presentments. Everything is in proper order and ready to be filed. If you would please approach the bench, I'll put my mask on and I will give you the indictments for filing. Thank you so much, Madam Clerk. All right, with that being said, we are done and I will go ahead and log off this afternoon. Let me end the live stream.